Lorian with Hamburg Honey. Today it is about 62 degrees and it's supposed to be 60 degrees for the next couple of days. We should start having pollen come in, and what we're doing is we're going through our hives and we're actually doing some spring maintenance, cleanup and swapping of the boxes, and I'll show you what that all entails. Now this hive was really large last time we checked it, about 3 weeks ago, so I just took another box and tossed it up here. The brood nest should be right here right now, and we actually want it down here on the bottom and then one of these empty boxes up on top of it. So for right now I'm just going to check in here, make sure they have good honey stores, and see if the queen has laid up in this box yet at all. I don't think she will have, but we shall see. Okay, this is one of the frames that we use for drone comb removal in the summer. They build this generally all into drone cells, and then a couple of times a month we'll come through, check the hives, and take all this off here. And they don't have anything in it right now, so I'm just going to take that piece off. It's getting in the way when I take the center out. So
you want to smoke them?
That here. And I'll check this one quick. Lift it right out. Alright, nice healthy looking hive. So the queen's not up in this box laying, which is what I thought. This will continue to be the top box. That bottom box down there is probably completely empty of everything. So we'll move those boxes along here. Give them a little bit of smoke. It's got a good amount of weight in it yet. Plenty of food. So this is where the brood nest is going to be. The have started laying, so I don't want to take that. I don't want to take that one out. That's just got a mess over there. I'll take out this one. Start here. Quite a bit of weight on this frame here yet, I can tell. Yeah, they still have at least 3 or 4 pounds of honey just in this frame right here. And I don't expect to see any brood in that spot yet. I'm just going to set this on here carefully, just so it's out of the way.
Oh wow, holy cow. You gotta see this side.
Okay, so we do have a bunch of brood. A bunch has hatched recently, and it looks like another round
Do you see her?
Of hatching is about to start. No, she's probably in one frame yet.
Okay. So why do we do the reverse of the boxes, Mike?
Because bees always want to work their way upward. So if you left this box, the bees wouldn't want to work back down into that bottom box, because right now that bottom box is going to be mostly empty. They're going to eat the honey first out of there, and they're going to start the brood nest probably in October down there, and then they're going to move upward. Yeah, this one is all laid full of eggs. We don't want to leave this out. This side's too all laid in with eggs. So good, the brood nest is right here. It's got a good laying queen. Now don't worry about the brood patterns this early in spring. They're going to be spotty just because we still get cold at night, and it's just been recently cold. So some of that brood, as they lay it, if it gets really cold, some of it will die, some of it won't. So the brood pattern is going to be fairly spotty in general in spring, early spring. But within a month we should see that tighten up quite a bit and improve. Boy, they really had this stuck down here good.
Oh, look at all that propolis. Wow.
Okay, let's set this right up here. Now, like I said, this box should be probably completely empty of any food stores down in here.
You're not happy right now, Mike. Messing with their...
Ripping into their home. And all I'm really checking for right now is to make sure there's no brood down in this bottom box.
Look how empty
Yeah,
that
we're
is.
completely empty.
There's nothing on that frame.
So we're gonna take this off. We're gonna clean the bottom board. And this box here with all the brood in it right now, that's gonna be the bottom box, and then this one with the honey in it yet will be the top box.
There's really not that many dead bees on there from winter.
No, this one isn't
That's
too bad
pretty
at
good,
all.
actually. You can see Mike is using that hive tool on that polystyrene, and it's not destroying it or breaking it or damaging it at all. These are made tough for our hive tools, and they keep the bees alive in winter because they're warm and cool in summer.
Alright, that is good.
This is the tricky part.
This is
The queen. The queen
the
is
box with the brood.
brood,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay, this is the bottom one.
Oh, you got it on the door in the back. Nice.
And this one full of food yet. Put that back on here. And this bottom box still had a bunch of bees in it. So I'll just shake that off a little. Get them back down in there. Give them back their little bit of pollen patty. Actually, that should be on top of the brood. Get them closed up.
Are you not putting the third box back on?
No,
Okay.
no, it does not need that. That's too much room for them right now. So that's all we do for spring maintenance. Now, this hive will expand up here in the next couple of weeks. And then at the beginning of May, we're going to make a few splits. And in June, we're going to do the majority of our splitting. This hive will be nice and full. We'll be able to take quite a few frames of brood and bees off of this hive and get our splits done. So, when you can, it's nice and warm, get out there and enjoy your bees.